Welcome back to NC State Dendrology. This video is about Viburnum acerifolium. So this is maple leaf viburnum. So you can immediately see why we call it maple leaf viburnum as the common name. It has these maple shaped leaves. In fact, you might think it's red maple at first because they are opposite if you look at the leaf arrangement. But unlike red maple, they have these really cool bluish blackish fruits right now. So those are drupe fruits that they have at the ends of the branches. And if you see it vegetatively, so if you see the fruits, it's easy to identify, but it might fool you and make you think it's red maple at other times of the year because it is opposite and it does have leaves that look like maple. But if you feel the leaves, they're actually quite fuzzy, and they're green on both sides, not lighter on one side or the other. They tend to have just 3 lobes, not 5, so that's something that is a little bit different from red maple. And if you look at the venation pattern, they actually have these really kind of deep set veins, and so if you look at the underside of the leaves, the veins are quite prominent and they kind of protrude out from the underside, but they're sort of set in on the surface of the leaf, so it gives it kind of that wrinkled look. The other difference that I like to point out is that the leaves are very evenly serrate. So this is a species in the Viburnum. So some of our species videos talk about viburnums being in the Adox ACE, but they've recently been moved. This is following the weekly 2020 flora. And so now they're in their own family, the Viburnum family, which is Viburnum ACE, like I said. And again, this is Viburnum acerifolium. It has quite a lot of wildlife value. It's a small shrub. Doesn't get, can get, I would say, shoulder tall, maybe 5 or 6 feet tall, but often grows low along the ground and has in these little single stems, but it's kind of a shrub. And in the fall, it has leaf color that's either like a really beautiful scarlet color, or sometimes it's kind of a whitish yellow color. So that's another way to know it. But again, this is maple leaf viburnum, Viburnum acerifolium.